Today's commission is this fabulous fuchsia pink dog collar that just needs a little extra something to make it special. So I'm using Serenity SS20, SS16 and SS12 Lotus Pink Delight crystals. I've got them in magic sorting trays, which has a little texture in there that helps flip the crystals the other way up. I've got Ninja Super Tight Fusion Tack in the 10mm glue bottle, and I've got a wax picker pen that will help me pick up and place my crystals. We've got everything we need, so let's go. All of these items can be found on our website bluestreetcrystals.com, and we do ship internationally. And by now you can see that I am being quite liberal with the amount of glue that I am using on this. Some might say too much, but this is because I need that glue to be able to seep down in between the synthetic fibres of this collar and still have enough on the surface to be able to stick to the crystals so that this collar can survive the wear and tear that is the reality of being a dog collar. But this glue is going to dry completely clear, and this is what it looks like. You can't tell that I was that liberal with the glue.